It's been a damn hard week, trying to walk a straight line, but I still find a way to fuck up everything in record time. I am a share